this is the first scramble, and the first thing I saw was doing a V where I would like a 5-move V, which goes like R prime, L prime, U, L, U prime, and then I rotate for this L4E case, but that's not too great. So I end up looking around a little bit more, and then what catches my eye is on yellow, so I do the 4 tips, and then I solve the red and yellow edge and the yellow and green center simultaneously. So it goes U prime, and then I insert this red yellow edge while it also inserting this green yellow edge, and then R prime, L prime. I mean, I probably could have cancelled into the arc, but I don't think it was worth it because I'd probably have to regroup like this. So yeah, I just went R prime, L prime, and then did the alpha rearg. Alright, for this next scramble, first, there was not much that really caught my eye, so I spent a little bit of time on this scramble trying to find something good. A solution I saw was on red. I could insert this red-blue edge like that, and then insert this green edge like that, but it doesn't give me much of a great L4E case to work with. So eventually I settled on green because the V in itself was pretty move count heavy, but the L4E case it gave me kind of made up for that because it was a 4-move L4E case that it gave me. So I did 3 tips, R prime, and then I would solve this green red edge first by doing L prime U L, and then finally insert this yellow green edge by doing U prime R prime, and then it gives me the 4-mover. So that was a 128. This is the third scramble, and the solution I found was pretty good, except I missed one looked and I got like a 3 on it. But the solution I ended up accidentally doing was this, so R, U prime, B, R prime, L prime, and then I was really confused because I thought I'd solved the V and then it'd give me like a sledge like this and a U, which is what I ended up doing anyways. But then I got this L4E case, so I was a bit confused. So I just did the ML4A to solve the rest. It was like a 313, I believe. But what I originally planned to do was on... Oh, I think I misscrambled. Yep. So what I originally planned to do was on green again, but then I would do RB, U prime, R prime, L prime, but then even then I looked the L4E case, so I probably would have done like a sledge and U prime, which would have given me a 2-flip, but the ideal solution was that, and then give me a 4-move last layer. This is the 4th scramble, and what I saw was that there were a lot of blocks that could fit into place with each other. So I saw on red, you could do R prime, U, L prime, B prime, and it'll give this pretty okay L4E case. So that was that solution, but the main reason I didn't really go for it was because of like how awkward the tips would be as I was executing it. So I would have to turn the tips with my pinky finger and then my index finger here, and then do the B tip with my other index finger, and that's just really weird. I'd probably do the tip at the end, but even then I don't think it would work out pretty well. So I eventually went for yellow, so I did the 4 tips, which were a lot, actually no, I did 3 tips, which was a bit easier to do, and I left this one for the end. So R prime, and then it solves this yellow green edge with its center, U, and it solves this this yellow red edge, and then L prime, B prime, and then there are 2 ways of solving this case. I could do U and then hedge into an insert like that, or I could do U prime, R prime, and then sledge. So that was eventually what I went with. So U prime, R prime, sledge, and then I did the tip and the U prime AUF simultaneously. Bro. 160. Okay. This is the last scramble, and I had a couple look at a few different solutions, but not many of them worked. So I eventually settled on green, so I could do the 2 tips, and I could cause one of 2 cases. So U R prime B, there's that case, or R prime U B, and then that's the one I ended up going for. So R prime U B, and then it could give one of 2 cases, which was this, but then I can actually execute this case in 2 different, like a bunch of different ways, actually, like 4 different ways, I think. The first way skips AUF, so so U, L prime U, L, U, and then I sledge it in. Or I could just sledge, 4-move insert like this, but eventually I just went for the standard AUG because I thought I could turn pretty well on that, and I happened to turn a lot better than that, so I got a 125, giving me a 160 average, which wasn't too bad.